I would like to solve the integral of 1 over x log x dx from e to the negative 3 to the e to the negative 2. Okay, as you may notice in here, I have two functions on my denominator. One is x, the other one is log x. So to solve this integral, I need to use u sub. I'm gonna take u as log x, and I need to differentiate both sides. Derivative of log x is 1 over x dx. Now I'm gonna replace everything into my integrand. So I have the integral of what? I have 1 over x dx, which would be du together. And then I have 1 over log x in here would be u. So I have 1 over u du. I'm not gonna write the bounds in here, but I just need to remember that at the end of the integral, when I replace my function back, I need to use the bounds. Okay, so I just solve it simply. I just solve the integral. So I have the integral of 1 over u du, and the answer for this is what? Let me give you a recall. The integral of dx over x is log of absolute value of x plus c. And the integral of any function, derivative of the function over the function itself, based on the integral rules, is log of absolute value of whatever function that you have plus c. So now I'm going to use this rule in here, and I'm going to write it is the log of absolute value of u now plus c. Now I'm gonna replace the u with the function that I had, which is log x plus c. Now I need to remember that I had two bounds in here. One is e to the negative 3, the other one is e to the negative 2. So let me write back everything. So I get the log of absolute value of x, and I'm gonna write the upper bound e to the negative 2, and then minus the log of, let me just bring this one on that side. So it is the log of absolute value of log of e to the negative 3, and the answer here, okay, is a negative 2. The answer here is negative 3. Both of them are inside absolute value, so I get the log of absolute value of negative 2 minus the log of absolute value of negative 3. So I get the log of 2 minus the log of 3. And based on the log rules, it would be the log of 2 over 3.